moringa fruit sambar. This is called moringa fruit sambar. Then beans fried, only 1 potato, and rice. See, this is my own idea. Whatever my kitchen is available, I am doing my best of new research cooking. Okay, now the potato has been cooked. It's only lunch. See, now I add. Okay, potato has been cooked. Okay, no salt is here now. It's chilli now. So I add little water. See, I add little water. High flame. Okay. Salt I will add last. Just now I add little salt. Okay. Not too. See, no oil. See, no oil. Okay. I put slow. And I add this. See, already I fried and keep cabbage. Bus. Good. Already I fried it cabbage. Keep for some time with slow. Okay? Keep for some. See, finish. See, potato. Okay, finish. Salt is okay. Okay, done. See, today mango, moringa fruits, sambar, beans, cabbage, potato fry and rice. Today no cucumber, okay?